Namaskar. Welcome to this meditation session with Ashutosh Mishra. Today is our third day of meditation. This meditation journey is an inward journey. Whole of our life we run outwards. But for this 20-25 minutes of time, we will explore inwards. Before we start today's meditation, please sit in meditation posture. For sitting in meditation posture, you may take a blanket or a mat, fold it and place it on the floor and sit on it in the cross-legged position. The cross-legged position is the simplest and most comfortable position to sit, especially for the purpose of meditation. Keep your back straight, lower back, middle back, upper back, neck and your head are little bit stretched upwards and kept in a straight line. Eyes are closed for the whole session. If you are unable to sit on the floor, you may sit on a chair, but keep your feet on a mat or a blanket and do not keep your feet directly on the floor. If you are unable to keep your back straight without any support, you may take the support of a wall or you may take the support of the chair's back. But keep your back straight. The back, neck and head are in a straight line. After taking this meditation posture, we will relax each and every body part completely so that we are in a state of full relaxation and full peace and rest. Slowly take your attention to the toes of your feet, to the heel and the sole of your feet. Move your feet slowly, little bit here and there, and take a deep breath. The toes of our feet, the sole and the heels are completely relaxed. Take a deep breath in and release the breath. We are not breathing very fast. We are not breathing very slowly. We are breathing at a normal pace. But we are taking deep breaths continuously. Now slowly move your attention upwards through your legs to your calf muscles. Feel your calf muscles internally. Relax your calf muscles, taking a deep breath. Now relax your knees. The knees are fully relaxed. and in a state of rest. There is no stress or tension in the knees. The knees are completely relaxed. If need be, you can rub both of your knees with your hands a little bit and relax them completely. Now take your attention to your thigh muscles. Relax your thighs. When we sit on the floor or on the chair, our thigh muscles tend to become tense. So relax your thighs completely. Let them be in a state of rest. Keep taking deep breaths. Now slowly relax your hips. Take your attention to your pelvic area. Release your pelvic area completely. Let go of any stress or tension in your pelvic area. Continue to take deep breaths. Now relax your lower abdomen. Let them loose completely. Observe the abdomen rise when you inhale and observe the abdomen fall when you exhale. Abdomen area is completely relaxed. All the stress and tension is gone. Now move your attention upwards to your chest area, to your heart. Relax your chest and your heart completely. As you inhale and exhale, the chest is very light. There is no burden on your heart. Now relax your lower back, the middle back, and the upper back completely. Feel your back internally and relax the back fully. Relax your shoulders. The shoulders are not drooping forward or they are not very tensely pulled backward. The shoulders are relaxed and are in line with our back. Now we will relax our hands and fingers. Move your fingers little bit. The fingers, the palms, the wrist area are completely relaxed, free of any tension. The forearm is completely relaxed, elbow, the upper arm from shoulders to elbow is fully relaxed. Your biceps, triceps are at complete rest and in a loose state. Continue to breathe slowly and deeply. Now take your attention to your neck. Relax your neck. You may move your head little bit left to right and up and down just little bit and relax your neck completely. Relax the back of your head. The spinal cord, the back, the neck area and the head are in a straight line but in a relaxed state. Relax the top of your head, which is also the seat of crown chakra. Relax your forehead. Relax your eyebrows. Relax the area between the two eyebrows, which is also the seat of the third eye chakra or the Agnya chakra. You may use your fingers to massage the area between the two eyebrows and relax the third eye chakra. All the anger, irritation, and stress shows up in our third eye chakra. When we are angry, there is a lot of creases in the area between our eyebrows and on our forehead. So relax these areas completely. Now we are relaxing all the facial muscles, our cheek muscles, our nose, lips, temple, ears. Everything is fully relaxed. Continue to breathe naturally and normally. We don't have to put any effort in breathing. Breathing is a natural process and it is happening from the time you were born. It is happening on its own. We just need to be aware of it. Finally, you relax your jaw muscles. The left and right jaw muscles are fully relaxed. The upper jaw and lower jaw are just loosely in touch with each other. They are not pressing against each other. They are loosely in touch without any effort, stress, or tension. Now, interlock the fingers of both the hands and place them in your lap gently. Now, our full body is in a completely relaxed state. We are at complete rest. This is our full personal private time with ourselves. We are completely comfortable in our own company and we are at ease. We are at full rest. Purna Vishram. Observe the sensations in your body in this state of complete rest and relaxation. We are fully relaxed. We don't have to go anywhere. We don't have to give anything. We don't have to take anything. There is no planning. There is no scheme. There is no objective. There is no target. It's completely free time, endless peace and relaxation. Observe and absorb this feeling of peace for some time. You are at complete peace. Even this state of complete peace is not free of any thoughts. The thoughts are continuously coming in our mind and they are continuously going away automatically. During this time, we will just observe the thoughts which are coming and going like a witness or sakshi from a distance. We will not get entangled into any thoughts. We will just observe these thoughts from a distance. We will not create any more webs or nets on top of these thoughts. These thoughts either pull us into the past and give rise to guilt, regret, or they push us into the future, giving rise to stress, anxiety, and tension. For this short time, we will just observe the thoughts. We will not get entangled by these thoughts. We are just a distant observer. We cannot control the thoughts. We will not try to stop the thoughts from coming. The thoughts are most welcome, but they will come and they will go on their own. For some time, just enjoy this feeling of rest and observe your thoughts. I will keep track of the time. The thoughts are coming and they are going away slowly. It is just like watching the sky. The clouds keep floating, the clouds keep coming and going away. It is a very relaxing experience when we do not get entangled into the thoughts. One thought arises, stays for some time, and goes away. The next thought arises immediately and goes away. But we are not touched by these thoughts and we are enjoying this peace, this deep sense of relaxation, stillness. there is complete rest and peace of mind. We will continue to make this peace deeper, and we will continue to make this peace last longer as we move in our meditation journey. Now, the time for today's meditation is coming to an end. Keep your eyes closed. Gently rub the palms of both the hands with each other. As they become little hot or warm, place them on your eyes and feel the heat of your palms on your eyes. Now slowly come to the present and open your eyes. Do not try to get up or move immediately. Move your body parts a little bit. Stretch your legs, open your arms. With gentle movements, make your body comfortable. And as you become comfortable, you may start doing your other daily activities. Thanks a lot for joining me for today's meditation session. Namaskar.